In 2008, the number of cases pending in subordinate courts across the country was about 1.5 million. In 2023, the number of case pending was 3.7 million, an increase of 2.2 million cases in a decade and a half. Due to the long litigation process and various complexities of the legal arena, the common people are being to their proper legal service. I, Mohammad Shafayat Hussain Shihab, currently a student in the Law Department of Daffodil International University, with the aim of ensuring proper legal service for the common people, even if on a small scale from my position. My education life began with school. After passing primary with distinction, I left my mark on secondary and higher secondary education. Since my secondary school days, I have been involved in various co-curriculum activities, including debates, public speaking, and essay writing. I have had the opportunity to participate in departmental and national level debates and public speaking several times. Currently, I am constantly preparing myself out of a strong desire to compete in the country legal arena, even if on a small scale. At the same time, I am trying to enrich my brain with social and political awareness, with the intention to develop myself as a good citizen. I believe that there is no alternative to acquiring knowledge to develop myself as a complete citizen. My university has burden to the path of acquiring that free knowledge for me. Currently, I am studying in the third year of honors. Along with the academic chapter, I have also kept myself connected with various co-curriculum activities here. As an active member of debate club and moot court, I have already achieved several success. I believe that acquiring knowledge makes a person a complete person.